Hi, welcome to Programming is Fun. My name is Anas, and in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about function overloading in C++. So let's begin. So function overloading allows us to write a multiple functions with the same name but different parameters. For example, let's make a program for function overloading. Void sum integer num1 integer num2, and then the body of this sum function cout the sum of two integers are num1 plus num2. Now to overload this function, we will simply copy this and just paste this function over here. Now change its parameter. If we will not change its parameter, it will gives us an error. So let's change the return type integer to double, and also here double. You can go with integer, that would not create any error. The sum of two floating point numbers are, to ensure that which function is getting executed. So now test the sum for integers, sum, and give the two parameters of integer type, not the double type, because we are testing for some first function. So 12 and 12, it will return 24 on the console screen. The sum of two integers are 24. Now to test double, 0.2 and 0.2. Now it's converted to double, and now it will execute this sum, the second one. You will see 24. The sum of two floating point numbers are 24. How does it execute? If we enter an integer value, the compiler will go to this sum, and if we enter the floating point number, the compiler will run this part of code. The thing which we have to remember that in function overloading, the function overloading means that we are writing the multiple functions with the same name but with the different parameters. And if we will change the data type of the function or not, it doesn't affect our output. If we change void to double, you will see it will just gives us a warning because we are returning nothing from it. 24.4. So it doesn't matter if you are using double, void, or anything of the return type, but the thing matter is that you have to change the parameters. If you will not change the parameters, you will definitely get an error. For an instance, just delete it from here and integer, and here also integer. Now you will see it will not be executed because we are using the same parameters. Here you see you will get an error. So the thing you have to remember that to overload a function, you have to write function name same but different parameters, and you can write whatever the return type of your function, but the parameters should not be same. So this was the basics of function overloading. I hope that you understand that, and please give me a like and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care, bye.